Do you sleep early? Do you sleep early?
No, I sleep late. No, I sleep late.
What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 1 a.m. I sleep at 1 a.m.
Do you get up late? Do you get up late?
Yes, I get up late. Yes, I get up late.
What time do you get up? What time do you get up?
I get up at 9 o'clock. I get up at 9 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth? Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth. Yes, I brush my teeth.
Do you have breakfast at home? Do you have breakfast at home?
No, I have breakfast at work. No, I have breakfast at work.
What do you do for living? What do you do for living?
I am a truck driver. I am a truck driver.
What time do you leave home? What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8. I leave home at 8.
Do you have lunch at home? Do you have lunch at home?
Yes, I have lunch at home. Yes, I have lunch at home.
What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5. I finish work at 5.
See you later.
Goodbye, bro. Make nice comment and follow.